Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here, and we are continuing our dive into our Constitution. And today we're focusing on Article 5, and I call Article 5 the Power Article. So, buried deep within the Constitution is the powerful Article 5. Why do I call this a powerful article? Because Article 5 is all about how to change or amend our Constitution. The framers, men who helped create our Constitution, understood that in order for the Constitution to remain relevant to future Americans, it needed to be flexible and change for their generation. This is why some historians call our Constitution a living document, since it changes, grows over time, and even in some cases, it reverses itself. For example, the 18th Amendment prohibited or banned alcohol in the United States. At that time in 1917, it seemed like a good amendment. But a few years later, people changed their views, and the 21st Amendment, passed in 1933, repealed the 18th Amendment. So they had to pass an amendment to repeal an amendment. So what you're going to learn, understand the process of changing our Constitution. That's what Article 5 is all about. And review and evaluate a list of proposed amendments to the Constitution. And what you're going to do is you're going to view the videos and complete the quiz questions. Pick which proposed amendment you would support and share your thoughts on the discussion board. So this is a two-part assignment. Please look down below for the discussion board. So what's going to happen is you'll first learn about Article 5 and then answer the quiz questions, and then go to the link in the second part, and I'll show you where that's at here. Right here. And so you're going to learn a little bit about the proposed amendments, and also there's some interesting ones from a long time ago, such as renaming the United States of America to the United States of Earth. Yes, that is true. I'm not making that one up. There was also a proposed amendment to abolish the United States Senate. So, in other words, just do away with it. And this one is shocking, believe it or not. Make slavery legal forever in 1861. So, click on this link and it'll take you to this page, and it will show you some of those proposed amendments from Congress. You're going to pick one that you would support and then share your thoughts in the discussion board. Also, please don't forget to reply to two other responses. You got to make 2 follow-up comments that reflect what you think about others' amendments. And please be respectful. All right, so good luck with that. Take care and talk to you later.